The Jonases now.
Try to keep up, whoever you are.
Stay ahead in the all-new Tundra.
Sally sold seashells by the seashore. But her seashells did.
This is CNN Breaking News.
And we'll get right to questions. Mr. Secretary.
Well, thanks, John, and thanks to everybody. I'm really glad to be with you. I know you're covering the situation in Europe closely.
Normal programming has been interrupted at the request of the U.S. government. Everyone receiving this broadcast should pay close attention. The information contained in this broadcast is vital to your safety. Please stand by.
Message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Titan detector. This is not a test. Our world is starting to come to an end. At 2:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a giant weather also known as the Witherzilla is spotted flying around the world, shooting everyone from its heads that will explode into lightning. Here are the following characteristics of Witherzilla. Spun hundreds of withers. Catch shipballs that explode into lightning. Come from a dimension called the Wither Dimension, and so many more. There's no way we can stop Witherzilla. Go into panic mode and get struck by lightning. The emergency alert system will shift to radio transmission. Future alerts will be repeated 1,000 megahertz FM. This message will conclude